Hello everyone, I am Ishan Patel and my today's topic of presentation is presentation skills. So today I am going to tell you about the introduction means what is presentation, then planning and structuring of a presentation, then role of visual aids in presentation, applications of MS PowerPoint and how to control stage fear. First of all, introduction. So what is presentation? Presentation is a process of presenting a topic to an audience. Means as you can see in the background image, a person is trying to explain the topic using some charts and other visuals so that audience can easily catch it up. Then comes the planning and structuring a presentation. First, there are 5 steps in planning and structuring a presentation. First step is greeting the audience and introducing yourself. Means we have to greet and introduce ourselves so that a bonding is formed between the speaker and the listener. Then we have to introduce our topic, means what we are going to tell in the upcoming slides in our presentation. Then we have to talk about the main body, means you have to give a brief description about the topic. Then we have to conclude the topic providing your point of views on it, and then we have to thank the audience and invite the audience for some questions. If anyone has queries, then he or she may raise the query and the speaker answers it so that the topic gets cleared. Then comes the visual aids in presentation. It plays a very important role because it makes presentation attractive and more easy to understand. As you can see, for example, I have taken an image and the right side you can see a pyramid which provides statistical data in a very creative manner so that it becomes for the listener to understand very well. And visual it also includes graphs and video clips. You can use bar graph or pie chart for demonstrating some statistical data so that it becomes easier for the listener to catch up that data. Then comes the application of MS PowerPoint. It is widely used in every sector such as education, business, jobs, government. Each and every sector uses it for making presentations. So first of all, in education, due to this COVID crisis, education is shifted to totally online mode. So in online mode, teachers also uses presentation to explain the topic so that students feel easier. For if students feel easier to understand the topic. Then in business purposes, for discussing a topic and providing statistical data, they use presentation. As you can see in the background image, the lady is trying to explain some topic via using some visuals. Then for job seekers, they can make their resume in form of presentation. So during interview, they can give the resume in form of presentation, which is very creative and attractive. Then comes PowerPoint usage in government. So there are many different procedures of government. For Aadhaar card, there is a specific procedure. For driving license, there is specific procedure. So government can make different presentations for each and every procedure so that people can see them and understand the procedure and follow it. Then the main point comes is how to control stage fear. Stage fear is a very common problem in many people. So to overcome it, first of all, you have to know what you are speaking about and what your audience is about. So whatever topic you are presenting, you must be totally aware and you must be prepared about it so that it gives you confidence to speak in front of people. Then you have to practice a lot because practice while practicing you get confidence to speak in a group of people. Then visualize the outcome. Before presenting a topic, you have to visualize the outcome, which boosts your confidence for presenting a topic successfully. Then take a sip of water so that it decreases your nervousness level, and smile while giving the presentation so that it gives your audience a sign of confidence, means you are confident enough about what you are speaking. These are the means tips for controlling stage fear. Thank you.